Guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, I want us to talk about something that happened in court that really shocked me. Guys, maybe it's me, I'm going crazy or something, but did we hear Rata question Makosonke about religion? Okay. That's fine. That's fine. But did you hear Judge Rata talking about Jesus Christ? Oh my goodness. Why would Judge Rata mention Jesus Christ in this nonsense? Why is he dragging Jesus Christ in this nonsense? OMG. Did he just stoop that low? Why is Jesus Christ not that Jesus Christ is low, but Judge Rata, is stooping low if he is going to go at the bottom of the barrel just to prove a flippant point? That still does not even make sense. Really? Desperation yaka Judge Rata? So in a nutshell, he is trying to say that Umakosonge is a liar, Umakosonge is dishonest, Why is he doing a credibility finding now? And now he is trying to manipulate. Oh, this judge is cunning, manipulative. Now he is forcing Makosonke to look into himself as a liar. Say, are you for real? Yo. Guys, did you see that? Did you hear him? He is going on about Christian values, how they were taught in primary school from grade 1. He says you went to, since when is just public schools Christian school? Because we do have Christian schools, of course, because churches, Catholic schools, Seventh-day Adventist schools, Methodist schools, etc., Topia schools, etc. These churches have their own schools for their children. But that's different if I go to a village primary school. Of course, every school, in the morning, there is assembly, and then there is prayer and everything. Does that mean you were taught about God? And there's also different religions. There's also different religions. So what if, yes, he was at a school, but they were taught that way? They did that assembly that you do prayer in the morning, etc. And then you have a different religion. What then? Hi, bro. The judge has gone wrong. Oh, he is a master manipulator. My goodness. This man will stop at nothing. He will stop at nothing to protect the state case. Every day he keeps proving it. He got so angry and he was shouting, telling Mgomezulu, I will sue you. When Mgomezulu said to him, my lord, you are colluding with the state. He got so pissed off, so angry, and there was nothing that anyone can do. He was so offended when that was said. What is this now? Why is he the one that is busy asking such questions? And the questions that he is asking, they have absolutely nothing to do with cross-examination that happened or even evidence in chief. There is nowhere where any lawyer spoke about Makosonge's religion. Nowhere. Hayibo, guys. Yinto lento sikuyo. Yo. Angikaze ndaba shocked kanje. Andikaze ndaba shocked kanje. Mana ke, why is he going to tap into the religion sphere or whatever and drag Jesus Christ into the matter, yet Judge Rata holds nothing that represents Jesus Christ? If Judge Rata is so knowledgeable about Jesus Christ, why doesn't he have any trait of Jesus Christ? There is absolutely no trait. Please, guys, I'm gonna wait for a minute. Let's count 60 seconds. I'm gonna wait and keep quiet. Tell me, which trait do you know from Jesus Christ that Judge Rata holds? I'll wait. Exactly. You will never find any. There is no trait of Jesus Christ that Ujadwata has. Ujadwata has the other traits, but they don't belong to Jesus Christ. Ujadwata is impatient. He doesn't even have the traits of fruits of the spirit, good spirit of Jesus Christ. Actually, hang on. The Bible speaks about the fruits of the spirit. The Bible speaks about fruit of the spirit of the spirit on the book of Galatians. Galatians. Let's check if when we talk about the fruits of the spirit of Jesus, Ujadwata, does he have any? Fruit of the spirit, they are character traits, not talents or gifts. They reflect Christ's living, not just good behavior. Breakdown of the fruits is love. Has he ever showed love in that courtroom instead of shouting and scaring people off? No. Peace. Does Judge Rata have peace, guys? No. Patience. Does Judge Rata have patience for the defense? No. Does Judge Rata show kindness in that courtroom? No. Does Judge Rata show goodness in that courtroom? No. Is Judge Rata showing faithfulness in that courtroom? No. Does Judge Rata show gentleness in that courtroom? No. Does Judge Rata self-control? Nope. 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 He doesn't have any of those. He doesn't. He has the opposite of any of those. He doesn't show them in that courtroom. Any of those fruit of the spirit. For him to mention Jesus Christ, he shocked me. He shocked me. I did not understand. It did not make sense because I don't know Judge Rata as a selfless man because he's been shouting from his lungs out in that courtroom for 3 years now. For 3 years since I've known him, I don't see self-control because he's always losing his emotions for no apparent reasons. He's never showed gentleness. Nope, he's been impulsive. I've never seen him faithful. Loyalty, reliability, trustworthiness. When it comes to faithfulness, he is not trustworthy to the law because he breaks the law he bends it and breaks it all the time in that courtroom. Goodness, moral integrity, and doing what is right. Does he do that in that courtroom? No. Peace, inner calm, and harmony with God and others. Does he show that in that courtroom? No. Joy, deep gladness, not based on circumstances. Exactly. Do you see him showing joy in that courtroom? No. Love, selfless, sacrifice. Oh my God. Careful. No, we've never seen him practicing any of that. Why is he dragging Jesus Christ? Why is Judge Rata dragging Jesus Christ? Why is Jesus Christ catching strays? I did not believe him. I am still shocked. I am not understanding where is that coming from. But all I know is that he went beyond and above to try and manipulate Makosonke into feeling bad about himself and coming to court. That's what he did. And I'm glad Makosonke still stand his ground even to Judge Rata. I am glad he did not fold even there because what the heck? What the heck was that about? Oh my goodness, that man. Anyway, what are your thoughts when it comes to that? Because it left me shocked. I won't lie. It left me like, sipping up, what's going on here? Is he a minister now? A pastor? A religious leader? What is this Judge? What is he doing? What did you feel when what happened to your brain? What happened to you? What was happening to you, Jay, as a person? When you were hearing all of that, what did you think? What was ngishocked ke son, ndishocked, ndishook, ndinje, hey, dizinto zonke. What was happening to you? Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.